Lampic sent us this blender for my review, and I am going to be trying it for the very first time. I'm excited to see how much power it has, but right off the bat, opening it from the box, I am so impressed with everything that it comes with. So you have two of the larger size containers. You've got one of the smaller ones, which I've already just kind of thrown some stuff in here because this is the one I'm going to be trying. You have two different lids with the different kind of the blades. So I'm going to be using this one. I gave it a nice little rinse, and because I'm using ice, I have about 6 to 8 ice cubes in here. So I feel like this is going to kind of crush them up a little bit better. But one of the coolest parts is the different lids they have. So this one here, let's say you make something in the morning and it's going to be part of your lunch. You can screw this cap on and then throw it in your lunch bag and you're going to be good to go. You can have this later. You've got two of these ones that you can actually drink on the go. So make it and then head out the door. And then you have this one here. They're calling this one like the spice lid. So basically if you're blending up your own spices, or I'm kind of thinking like blending up some chocolate, and then you just kind of, once it's on top of here, once you screw that on, and then you're just kind of shaking it right out from here, and then you've got your own little spices. I think that is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before with a blender. Very cool. So let's go ahead. Oh, and of course they give you the book with all the instructions, and then inside there are just a couple pages with just a few little recipe ideas. So I just kind of went with that one, the strawberry juice, because I was like, I have strawberries, I have milk. Let's give it a try and see how well it works. So I believe this just gets... Let me line it up properly, screw it on there, and then there are some little spots here on the side, so that just gets lined up inside. And I think we just push down. Woo! Okay, I'm going to blend again, but like, look at that power. That is seriously impressive. I'd probably hold it down a little bit longer to get all of that ice. But again, 6, 8 ice cubes. And look at that beautifulness right there. Man, throwing some protein powder. You got your morning smoothies. I cannot wait to be making all kinds of cool concoctions.